Are you looking for a faucet with some flexibility? Something that can have a normal spout like this, or with one twist become a waterfall spout? Well, check this one out. This is a Waterfall kitchen faucet with the pull down sprayer. This is the brushed nickel cover. There are other colors, so make sure you check that out. This faucet has 3 different modes. You have your normal stream, you have a high pressure sweep, and you have a waterfall. This faucet has a lot of flexibility. It could go 360 if I didn't have a wall and window here. It has a lot of distance on the pull out hose. This is just where I stopped it. There's another like 1.5 to 2 feet if you needed that extra space. But everything moves where you need it. It swivels, multiple spray modes. What else are you looking for? The faucet ships in this package. Nice, neat, secure. Everything was padded. Nothing was rumbling around. Install was pretty easy. This is the first time I've installed a faucet, and if I can do it, you can do it. I also messed up and forgot to put the plate down, and I put the rubber gasket on the wrong side. So as long as you pay attention and read the instructions better than I did, you'll get it done quicker than me. So we have everything hooked up now correctly. I did have to go back and redo stuff because I just did it wrong. I wasn't paying attention. So here's what we're looking at right now. Beautiful. It's water. So when the faucet's like this, the water will come out here. They call that the waterfall spout. So instead of just a single stream when you turn it on, you get a whole bunch of small streams. This is good if you wanted widespread coverage of your water on washing fruit or vegetables or anything like that. Hot water, cold water, whatever you want. Now to switch to the normal faucet, all you have to do is turn it. You don't have to hit any buttons. Gravity will do its thing and it will just switch to a normal faucet. And if you want to go back, turn. So you don't have to worry about being in the wrong mode and then like spraying something sideways because it'll automatically change just based on where you turn it. So turn and it goes. Turn and it goes. Turn and it goes. And then this button, when it's on the normal faucet mode, becomes a high pressure sprayer, which is pretty cool. Great for cleaning the sink or anything like that. And on waterfall mode, the button does nothing. One quick thing I do want to show you all. While this thing is docked, you can turn it and it'll change automatically. But if you pull the hose out at all and you go to turn, it will not change. So that's cool if you want to be able to move your waterfall and your normal faucet around. But be aware that the gravity change will not take place when the hose is out even a little bit. It's got to be all the way in and then turn, and you can do whatever. But like right now, if I tried to turn to the waterfall, it would not do it. So dock it, turn it, pull it, dock it, turn it, pull it. So if you're in the market for a faucet that has a lot of flexibility, multiple spray modes, 360-degree coverage, and can get to any part of your sink that you need, well, maybe this one is for you.